In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop presentation in Canva. If you've ever wanted your Canva slides to play continuously on their own, for example, on a kiosk screen, at an event booth, or during a lobby slideshow, looping your presentation is exactly what you need. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple settings you need to change so your presentation keeps playing from start to finish and then automatically starts again from the first slide without you having to touch anything. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and that your presentation is already created. From your Canva homepage, open the presentation you want to loop. This will bring you into the main editor, where you can see your slides on the left, your current slide in the center, and various tools around the edges. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled Present. This is the button you normally use when you're ready to show your slideshow full screen. Right next to the Present button, there's a small downward pointing arrow. Go ahead and click on that arrow. This opens a drop-down menu with different presenting options. Depending on your Canva layout, you might see choices like standard presenting modes and other timing options. What you're looking for here is the option called Autoplay. Click on Autoplay. When you select this mode, Canva will automatically advance through each slide in your presentation without you needing to click. More importantly, once the last slide has finished showing, Canva will automatically cycle back to the very first slide and keep going. That looping behavior is built into the autoplay mode, so you don't need to set up anything extra or add any special animations to make it repeat. Before you start presenting, it's a good idea to quickly review your slides and any timing settings within the autoplay options, if they're available, to make sure each slide stays on screen long enough for viewers to read and understand the content. Think about where this looping presentation will be displayed and adjust the pacing so it's comfortable for someone walking by or watching casually. Once you're happy with everything, start the presentation in autoplay mode. Your Canva presentation will now run on its own, moving from slide to slide and automatically looping back to the beginning when it reaches the end. You can leave it running for as long as you need, and when you're done, just hit escape or close the presentation window to stop it. And that's all you need to do to loop a presentation in Canva.